Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 07384813812, and today we have a 2016 Hyundai Accent Active, stock reference number 4392. The shape runs from the 6-month 2015 through to the 12-month 2019. It has a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front is a ball tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 14-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With a ball tyre, sorry. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has one small dent. Right power door mirror and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, manual type, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heating controls, factory touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke grey steering wheel with audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.